Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your door lock handle on a Nissan Versa. This is the one I'm going to show you how to change, but because it's already out, I'm going to take out the back one to show you how to remove it in case yours is broken and it's still in there. I'm going to show you how to remove it, and then I'm going to show you how to put it back in. Alright, so first you need to take off this cap right here, and then to get access to that inside of there, that torque screw. Alright, so I'm gonna set it right here, and it's gonna be a T30. Gonna be a T30 torque. Alright, so you want to take it loose some and take out this part first. Alright, so the screw going here. I don't know if it's focusing, but the screws go in there, and then I take the screw from there, then you take this out. Alright, and now what you want to do is slide back this like this, and it will come out like that. Alright, so that's how you do that part right there. Alright, and to put it in, slide it forward and lock it in place. In this piece, you go ahead and put it back just like, put it like this. Alright, and then after that, you want to go ahead and tighten that right like that, and also go ahead and put this in right there. Alright, and that's it. That's how you change your outside handle on a Nissan Versa. Alright, take it out, let it swing like that. So you just take out this, so let it swing like that. Alright, and now you want to install the other one. Alright, so and then you need to get your cap and put back your cap on that. Alright, and that's how you change your front and your rear door, like outside door handle. Alright, thank you guys for your support.